What's up guys, Dynamic Boys here. So recently I was searching the website for how to solve this bloody thing, the Rubik's Cube. I practiced to solve one phase, but still I'm not very satisfied and I'm not perfect in the solving of one phase. So recently I was searching through the web and I found this bag which can solve Rubik's Cube for you. I think you can't believe it. So let me show you a demo. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. We have the cube here with the cloth here. So let's see which color we could choose. Basically I love purple, so let's solve for the purple face. You stupid cloth, solve the purple face for me. Let's check whether, see, it's unsolved. And let me put this, close it. And what they recommend doing is throw the cloth from like this to that. They tell to throw the cloth, and let's try. So let's check whether it has been solved. Oh, also they recommend you to shake it well before throwing. What? No!